Okay.
Well, here we have a Salton ice maker, but it's not making ice. Keeps on coming on with the light every time I do a cycle, and it doesn't want to drain the water. So the water's always standing there and it's not making ice. So we're gonna empty the water and loosen up the back side. There's only 4 screws or 6 screws. There's 4 on this one. Yeah. 2, 3, 4, no, 6. Anyways, already loosened that up. So what we're going to do is a couple of things. We're going to 2 things. We'll check the actuator to see if it does a cycle and what to look for. So, plug it in. As you can see, now the actuator, when you press, could you press that for me, please, huh? There, it's doing a cycle. Now you got to hear this. There's a little tit there, and it goes tick. There. That shows it wasn't pumping water before. So, if you don't have that little tick, there's a little button underneath. And we'll plug it in again. Hit the button there again. Start. As you can see, the actuator, it comes to the other one. It goes back and forth. So what happens when it's not pumping, sometimes it's the actuator. You might have to get a new one at one of your source stores. Or else, you have to bend this just a bit. You take a pair of pliers, you bend that out. So when the actuator comes up, it depresses the button, which triggers your pump. So anyways, that's one of the problems I've had. Now I got this problem where it's not pumping. So the pump's down here, and how you blow it out, you just take the back off here. Careful you don't touch any wires. And then you either take a pressure pump or whatever, or just blow through it. And, well, it sounds pretty clear, but clear doesn't mean clean. So, we're going to pump that back right up in there. There we are. And now what I do is, for my cleaning like I've done before, I take and a little bit of water, and I mix it together, and a half a cup of vinegar. Get that, make it into a paste-like substance, and just happen to have a half a cup of vinegar. So I'm going to pour that in there, in the hole, and I'm going to pour the vinegar, and there we go, we have it. Now I got hot water. I'm going to pour that in there, so it'll boiling hot water, so that'll loosen up anything that's in there. And we're going to wait 10 minutes.
Okay, go.
Okay, we're back 10 minutes later. We're going to plug it in. Well, plugged it in. We're going to see if it's going to pump. So, let's just start it off again. And start the actuator works. There goes the actuator. Is it pumping? There it is. I feel motion, but Well, I'm going to take off the hose, re-plug in, and it just needs to press it again. Red light's on, it's not sucking water. Pounds down, actuator's working. Yeah, let's see if it pumps. Not a drop. Well, this is a good indication the pump's not running. But what we'll do is we'll check all the wires. Make sure the wires are connected. Wires connected there. Up through this. This is the electronic, your board. I don't know if we can see it from underneath, but there, yeah. See the board underneath? All those are connected. Little wires up there you can see that are connected. Everything seems to be connected. Well, okay. This is a good indication that the pump is going. Okay, well, next step we'll have to probably change the pump. And until next time, this is Michelle's Fix It, and we'll see you next time.